रोज बोली जाने वाली अंग्रेजी वाक्य जिस पर हमारा विवाद था। That's what we had a dispute on. That's what we had a dispute on. जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है। Life is too short. Life is too short. मुझे तुम पर विश्वास है। I believe on you. I believe on you. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. मैं ऊपर की ओर जा रहा हूँ। I'm going upwards. I'm going upwards. मैं आपसे अकेले बात करना चाहता हूँ। I want to talk you alone. I want to talk you alone. सुनो, तुम क्या खोज रहे थे? Listen, what were you searching for? Listen, what were you searching for? आप अपने आप से कुछ नहीं करते। You do nothing by yourself. You do nothing by yourself. मुझे और क्या करना चाहिए? What else should I do? What else should I do? कोई भी नहीं। Neither of. Neither of. क्या आप मुझे मूर्ख मानते हैं? Do you consider me fool? Do you consider me fool? आपको सीखना होगा। You will learn. You will learn. मैं सिर्फ आपको बताने के लिए था। I was just to tell you. I was just to tell you. अपनी सीमाओं में रहिए। Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. नंगे पैर न चलिए। Don't walk barefoot. Don't walk barefoot. मैं बहुत गलत था। I was so wrong. I was so wrong. किसी को मत बताओ। Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. आप कॉलेज में हिजाब नहीं पहन सकते। You cannot wear a hijab in college. You cannot wear a hijab in college. क्या खाया तुमने? What did you eat? What did you eat? मैं उसे जानता भी नहीं। I don't even know him. I don't even know him. मेरे पास आपको देने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है। I don't have anything to give you. I don't have anything to give you. सबसे अधिक। At the most. At the most. उसे वहां से बाहर निकालो। Get him out from there. Get him out from there. इसमें क्या है? What's in it? What's in it? मैं आपको 2 घंटे से बुला रहा हूँ। I have been calling you for 2 hours. I have been calling you for 2 hours. मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। I don't mind. I don't mind. मैं जानता था। I knew it. I knew it. मैं समय पर वापस आऊंगा। I will back on time. I will back on time. क्या होगा अगर ट्रेन देर से है? What if the train's late? What if the train's late? अगर आपके पास बहुत पैसा होता तो आप क्या करते? What would you do if you had a lot of money? What would you do if you had a lot of money? यदि तुम ज्यादा भाव खाओगी तो मैं यहां से जाऊंगा. If you act so pricey, I will go from there. If you act so pricey, I will go from here. क्या होगा अगर उसने आपको झूठ कहा है? What if he told you a lie? What if he told you a lie? अगर वह आता तो यह बेहतर होता. Had he come, it would have been better. Had he come, it would have been better. ठीक है, हमारे जाने का समय है. All right, it's time for us to go. All right, it's time for us to go. यह अच्छा है कि आप आए. It's good that you have come. It's good that you have come. अपनी आंखें नीचे रखें. Keep your eyes down. Keep your eyes down. अपने पर विश्वास रखो. Have faith in yourself. Have faith in yourself. अपनी टिप्पणियों को अपने पास रखो. Keep your comments to yourself. Keep your comments to yourself. अपने काम पर ध्यान दो. Concentrate on your work. Concentrate on your work. बस अपने दिल को सुनो प्रिय. Just listen to your heart, dear. Just listen to your heart, dear. अपने नाखूनों को मत चबाओ. Don't bite your nails. Don't bite your nails. अपने बालों में कंघी करो. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. अपनी प्रिंटर को लैपटॉप से कनेक्ट करें. Connect your printer with the laptop. Connect your printer with the laptop. अपने सभी हथियारों को छिपाएं. Hide all your weapons. Hide all your weapons. अप्रैल तक बर्फ बंद हो गई होगी. The snow will have stopped by April. The snow will have stopped by April. अब आपको माफी नहीं मांगनी होगी. You will not have to apologize anymore. You will not have to apologize anymore. अब कोई क्यों आएगा? Why will anyone come now? Why will anyone come now? अब मुझे वह करना है जो किया जाना है. Now I have to do what has to be done. Now I have to do what has to be done. अब मुझे वह करना है जो किया जाना है. Now I have to do what has to be done. Now I have to do what has to be done. अब तक पुलिस ने कोई सुराग नहीं मिला है. So far, the police have not gotten any clues. So far, the police have not gotten any clues. क्या तुम दोनों झगड़ा बंद करोगे? Will you two stop quarreling now? Will you two stop quarreling now? तुम सब जाओ और छिप जाओ. Now all of you go and hide. Now all of you go and hide. अब इसे भूल जाओ. Forget it now. Forget it now. अरबपति बनना एक बच्चों का खेल नहीं है. Becoming a billionaire is not a child's play. Becoming a billionaire is not a child's play. मैं बहुत बातूनी किस्म का बंदा हूँ. I'm in the habit of talking a lot. I'm in the habit of talking a lot. यह बहुत होगा. It will be a lot of. It will be a lot of. आगे कुछ मत कहो. Don't say anything further. Don't say anything further. आखिर मैं आपके लिए कौन हूँ? After all, who am I to you? After all, who am I to you? आगे क्या? What next? What next? आगे सड़क कैसी है? How is the road ahead? How is the road ahead? आज का मौसम सुखद है. Today's weather is pleasant. Today's weather is pleasant. आज आप इतनी देर क्यों कर रही हैं? Why are you so late today? Why are you so late today? दुकान आज बंद है. The shop is closed today. The shop is closed today. आज बहुत ठंड है. It's very cold today. It's very cold today. आज हो सकती है बारिश. It may rain today. It may rain today. आज बारिश होनी थी. It had to rain today. It had to rain today. 8 बजी है. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. मैं आपके सामने यह बात कह रहा हूँ. I'm saying this to your face. I'm saying this to your face. आप अपनी माँ से बहुत प्यार करते थे. You loved your mother dearly. You loved your mother dearly. आप इससे क्या निष्कर्ष निकालते हैं? What do you conclude from that? What do you conclude from that? आप इस तरह से क्यों मुस्कुरा रहे हैं? Why are you smiling like that? Why are you smiling like that? आप कहाँ ठहरे हैं? Where are you staying? Where are you staying? तुम कब आई? When did you come? When did you come? तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे? Who were you talking to? Who were you talking to? क्या हाल है? How are you? How are you? मैंने तुम्हारे साथ क्या किया? What I did to you. What I did to you. मैंने इसके लिए कभी खुद को माफ नहीं किया. I have never forgiven myself for it. I have never forgiven myself for it. आप खुद क्यों आई? आप भेज सकते थे. Why did you come yourself? You could have sent. Why did you come yourself? You could have sent. हम आ गए. We have come. We have come. हम मदद करेंगे. We will help. We will help. आप मुझे ताना क्यों मारते रहते हैं? Why do you keep taunting me? Why do you keep taunting me? तुम मेरी उम्र के हो. You are my age. You are my age. आपकी विधि गलत थी. Your method was wrong. Your method was wrong. आप लंबे समय तक रह सकते हैं. You may live long. You may live long. तुम मेरे बारे में बहुत चिंतित हो. You are so concerned about me. You are so concerned about me. मुझे देखने के लिए. To look at me. To look at me. हमें पैसे दे दो. Give us the money. Give us the money. अगर हम उस पर भरोसा करते हैं तो हम सभी दिवालिया हो जाएंगे. If we trust him, we all will go bankrupt. If we trust him, we all will go bankrupt. मैं कुछ भी नहीं सुन सकता था. I could not hear anything. I could not hear anything. यही कारण है कि उसने आपका नाम नहीं लिया. That is why he didn't name you. That is why he didn't name you. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? क्या आपको लगता है कि उसने सुना है? Do you think he heard? Do you think he heard? वह भावुक हो गई है. She's become emotional. She's become emotional. बस इसे अपने दिमाग में रखिए. Just keep it in your mind. Just keep it in your mind. भाई ने मुझे सब कुछ बताया. Brother told me everything. Brother told me everything. भाई, क्या मैं कॉल कर सकता हूँ? Brother, can I make a call? Brother, can I make a call? भाई, क्या आप उसकी उम्र का अनुमान लगा सकते हैं? Brother, can you guess his age? Brother, can you guess his age? यहां तक कि मैं आपसे बात करना चाहता था. Even I wanted to talk you. Even I wanted to talk you. इसे भूल जाओ. Forget it. Forget it. इस पर लटकाओ. Hang it on this. Hang it on this. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget like, share, comment and subscribe.